In this video, we will learn how to register and send money using Remitly mobile application. Before that, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button to see such informational videos.
Let's go straight to the video.
You can use Remitly website or mobile application to send the money. We suggest you to use mobile application
as it is more convenient than the website. You can download the app through Android Play Store or the iOS App Store.
Let's download it through the Android Play Store.
Type Remitly on the search bar, and here you have the official Remitly app. Now click on Install.
Once the app is installed,
Click on Open. Now please select your preferred language. I would prefer to go for English and confirm. Then click on Continue. Start by creating a new profile by clicking here. It will bring you to the page where Remitly asks where do you want to send money. Here you select the country from where you are sending the money, and here you need to select the destination country the money will be received. Now I'm selecting the country where I'm sending, which is UK, United Kingdom. Then I would like to send money to India, so I selected India. Once both the countries are selected, click on Next. In this tab, it is asking you to create your profile,
here you need to enter your active email address.
and then below you need to create your password. Please ensure password should be of 8 characters. After filling these details, click on Join Remitly.
It might either ask for biometrics or face recognition depending on your phone, which you can skip for now.
You have successfully registered now. We can start sending money by clicking on Get Started. In this screen, you need to enter the amount either in UK currency, which is GBP, or in Indian currency, which is INR,
And eventually the money on the other side
will be displayed after converting. For example, I'm entering £100, and you can see the amount in INR is automatically filled. On the contrary, if you want to send a specific amount to India, just enter the amount. Example, I'm entering 10,000 rupees, and it will show you 101.18 GBP need to be sent from here. Here it says no transfer fee for now because I'm a new register. Usually the transfer fee is 1.99,
but now it's showing no transfer fee.
because if you click on the I button,
It will show you that there is no transfer fee on your first transfer.
going forward from next transfer you'll have to pay this transaction fee 199. In the below you can see apply an offer code.
If you have an offer code, you can enter it here.
Once the offer code is applied, you're going to see more discount. In this section you have two options with different conversion rates.
However, if you see at the bottom, the listed promotional FX rate, foreign exchange rate, only applies to the first £1,000 of your first transfer.
So you have a promotional limited time offer. Usually the express and the economy have different rates. As you can see, it's strike through. 1 GBP is 98.18 rupees in express, and 1 GBP is 98.77 rupees INR in economy. Select express if you would like to complete the transaction immediately, but the catch is it will have a lower conversion rate, as you can see, and you need to pay through debit card or credit card. Alternatively, you can select economy, in which the transaction will be completed within 2 hours time frame as mentioned, and you will get a better conversion rate, but you need to pay via bank account. After completing all these steps, you need to click on continue. I'm selecting economy because it is the convenient way. In this tab, you need to select the method of how the recipient wants to receive the money. The best option will be bank deposit or UPI if you have the UPI ID of the recipient. In this instance,
I am selecting bank deposit as it is found to be the most convenient and
hassle-free option where the recipient does not have to do anything and just waits for the money to be received. Here you need to select the recipient bank. If you can't see your bank name appearing, click here and search for your bank name. Example, I'm searching for Bank of India, and you can select this bank. I'm selecting SBI because I want to send money to SBI bank. Here you need to fill the bank account number and then press continue. In this tab, you need to fill in the recipient's first name and last name as registered in the bank and then click on continue. To receive transfer updates, you can enter the mobile number of the recipient, or you could skip this page. I will just skip the page. You must select the reason for sending the money depending on the situation
For now, I'm selecting family support.
and click continue. Remitly will ask sender's details as shown here. First name, last name, and then enter the date of birth and then click continue. Please double check your sender's details. Your information should exactly match what's on your ID and then click confirm. Now you need to fill sender's address and then click continue. Enter sender's phone number to receive transfer updates and then click continue. Click here for bank transfer. If you select this option, you will see a pop-up showing that the payment method will be changed to Express, lowering your conversion rate. So please ensure not to select this option. Click on Easy Bank Transfer. Here you need to select the sender's bank from which the money is going to be transferred. If you can't see your bank here, just search for your bank. For example, I'm searching for Monzo. Once you see this, please select the bank. This is the final confirmation page. Scroll down till the end of the page and verify all the details you entered are correct, including the account number, recipient details, and sender details. Then click on Pay with Easy Bank Transfer. This will direct you to bank app where you need to authorize the payment for the final step. However, if you can't see your bank name appearing on the list, scroll down to the bottom and click here. Click continue here to pay via bank account manually. Now please ensure to check your details again and click on confirm transfer. Please ensure to use exact reference number as you see on this screen. If you use my referral link mentioned in the description below to download the app, you will get a £10 discount on your first transfer on top of your no transaction fees. And also, if you learned something valuable from the video, please do like, subscribe, and comment on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching.